Unraveling time. The meaning of running out of hours. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase that you might have heard or read somewhere: running out of hours. This expression is not just about the clock ticking. It's about the essence of time and how we perceive our day-to-day activities. So, let's get into the details and understand what it really means to run out of hours. The phrase, running out of hours, paints a vivid picture of time slipping away, almost as if the hours were tangible items that one could hold and lose. It's a metaphorical expression used to convey a sense of urgency or shortage of time when trying to complete tasks or meet deadlines. This phrase beautifully encapsulates the anxiety and pressure that come with time constraints in our personal and professional lives. Running out of hours can be used in various contexts, each adding a layer of meaning to the phrase. Work and deadlines. In the workplace, mentioning that you're running out of hours can signify that the deadline is approaching, and there's not enough time left to complete all the required tasks. Personal projects. For personal endeavors, such as hobbies or learning new skills, this phrase might express the frustration of not having enough time in the day to dedicate to these activities. Life events. On a more philosophical level, running out of hours could also refer to the feeling that life is passing by too quickly, and there's so much more one wants to experience and achieve. To fully grasp the phrase's versatility, let's see it in action within sentences. As the deadline loomed closer, I realized I was running out of hours to submit my project. Trying to balance work and personal life, she felt like she was always running out of hours to do what she loved. Looking back at the years gone by, he couldn't shake off the feeling of running out of hours to fulfill his dreams. Running out of hours is a powerful expression that resonates with many of us, especially in today's fast-paced world. It serves as a reminder of the constant race against time and the importance of managing our hours wisely. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase and perhaps made you think about your own relationship with time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on English language learning. See you in the next video.